Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the core gear ready. Make sure your GPS device or phone is charged to at least 50% and pack a spare battery or power bank. Once done, download offline maps and import any GPX tracks or waypoints you'll follow so you won't rely on cell service. Next, enable location services, set your preferred coordinate format, and calibrate the compass. This ensures bearings are accurate. Finally, test a short fix to confirm satellites are being acquired before you move into the field. You now navigate using active guidance. Select a waypoint, note the bearing and distance, then move while watching your heading and estimated time. Make sure track recording is on. Set the logging interval to 5-10 seconds for a reliable breadcrumb trail. Once you're moving, choose map orientation, north up for situational awareness or track up for following a route, so your perspective matches movement. Also, use waypoints to mark hazards or rest points. Save them promptly, because conditions can change quickly and you want repeatable. You finish by saving and backing up your data. Stop the track log, export the GPX, and copy it to a second device or cloud when possible. Then manage power, enable battery saver, dim the screen, and disable unneeded radios to preserve life on long outings. If you lose a satellite fix, go to an open area, recalibrate the compass, and wait a few minutes for a require. Alternatively, enable assisted GPS or switch devices. One quick troubleshooting tip. If readings jump, reset the position and check for magnetic interference nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.